Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video we are going to learn how to clear the cache of Netflix app on Android Smart TV. So very first what you need to do is, if you are on the home screen or any other screen, switch to the app screen, and under the app screen you will have all the apps that are currently installed on your Smart TV. So you can just go to Netflix and click and select and hold the Netflix app for a while, and you will have this option called as info. Just select it. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go to this gear icon, setting icon, and under it go to apps, and under the apps you have the Netflix, or you can select this see all apps, and under the see all apps you can just select the Netflix. Once you have selected the Netflix, you will have this options where you can force stop, open, uninstall the updates and all other stuff. And here you can see there is option called as clear data and clear cache. So if you want to clear just the cache, you can just select it and say okay, and it will clear the cache. And similarly, if you want to clear entire data which will sign you out of the Netflix application, you can just go and select OK. So what it does, it will permanently delete the app data as well as the accounts and settings and all other stuff. So in this way you can clear the app and cache data from your Android Smart TV for Netflix. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.